welcome to our channel. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please press the bell icon. Our topic is fractions. Fraction is a part of something. Suppose we have a cake and we want one part of 4 pieces of the whole cake. This part separated from the cake is called fraction as given in the picture. Functional numbers and fractions. We will understand this by a simple example. Look at the given picture. The strips has been divided into 8 parts. 5 are shaded out of 8 equal parts. The shaded portion represent 5 parts out of 8 parts. Total part of the figure is represented as denominator, that is 8, and the shaded part will be the numerator 5. The numeral we denote is by 5 upon 8. Next comes the whole and the part of fraction. Figure 1 is the part of whole fraction. When we take the above figure as 1, it is called whole. When we cut that picture into some parts, that is called part of whole, which is shown in figure 2 shaded in the below picture. Now we will count the total parts of the circle, that is 3, which we will write in the denominator, and then we will count the shaded parts of the circle, that is 1. We will write 1 in the numerator. So we can write as 1 upon 3. Other examples of fraction is the total marks of the exam and the marks scored in the exam. Suppose you scored 15 marks out of 20 marks. We can write the fraction as 15 upon 20. Next comes the equivalent fractions. 2 or more fractions representing the same part of a whole are called equivalent fractions. Clearly, the shaded portion of these figures are equal, but their fractional representation is different. This is because they have been divided into different parts with their respective denominators. Like the first one is divided into 2 parts, second is divided into 4 parts, third is divided into 6 parts, and fourth is divided into 8 parts. These fractions are called equivalent fractions. How do we test whether the given fractions are equivalent or not? Simply by cross multiplying, like A with D and C with B. If the cross products are equal, that is AD is equal to BC, we say that the both fractions are equivalent, otherwise they are not. You can try this numerical example at home. Let's see some more examples. For example, we have to find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 4 with numerator 24. We'll simply have to find the missing number. To get 24 as numerator, we have to multiply 3 by 8, and we also have to multiply 4, that is the denominator, by 8, which gives us the result 24 upon 32. Hence, 3 upon 4 and 24 upon 32 are equivalent. Fractions in simplest form. Now, if the numerator and denominator of fractions have no common factor other than 1, then it is said to be simplest form, or in the lowest term, or irreducible. How do we reduce a fraction to its simplest form? There are various of methods to do so. H.C.F is one of them. First, we have to find the H.C.F of numerator and denominator. Then we will divide the numerator and denominator by H.C.F. Now, how do we find the H.C.F in case the numerator and denominator are 24 and 36? We get the common factors 2, 2 and 3. Then we will multiply 2, 2 and 3. We get the H.C.F 12. Next, we will divide 24 and 36 by 12. We get the answer 2 upon 3. The second method is prime factorization method. First of all, we will express each of the numerator and denominator of the given fractions as the product of primes. Then we will cancel the factors that are common to both of its numerator and denominator simply to get the lowest term. The prime factors of 24 are 2, 2, 2 and 3, and the prime factors of 36 are 2, 2, 3, 3. So the common factors of both are 2 2's and 1 3. The leftover is 2 upon 3 and that's their lowest term. Thank you and have a nice day.